Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable ultra dark mode on your iPhone. This is actually extremely helpful, right? So for this one, you wanna make sure that you're gonna be enabled for updated for iOS 18. As you can see right there, my icons are dark. So how did I do this one? First things first, you can just hold on your screen right there, edit right here, click on customize, and you're gonna see that you're gonna have some options there. Maybe large or small. Just toggle your icon right here. Make sure it's dark for the dim. You can choose automatic, tinted, or you can also color this one depending on your choices. But I'm just gonna go for the classic dark right there. You notice that there's also an eyedrop icon here. Just basically type anything and you'll be good to go. And that is gonna be it. So let me just cover that one right there because I don't want the color green. I'm just gonna go back on dark here and perfect. I'm gonna be on dark mode. Next over, going to settings right here. Going back there, you should see accessibility right there. Click on it and look for the one that says display and text sizes. All the way to the bottom, there is gonna be reduce white point. Click on that one and you can now see that it's a bit more darker. This is gonna be best for 60 to 70%. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Now, if you want this one to be enabled all throughout your screen, you can just go in here. Let me just go back there. Hold anywhere on the screen and add the control. This is accessible all the way down. As you can see, the vision accessibility, the increased contrast, reduced white point should be right there. Just enable that one and you'll be good to go. I'm gonna leave it as it is for now because I really love this application dark modes. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.